EPTAM Precision Solutions has been a cutting-edge leader for the medical, semiconductor, and aerospace defense industries for almost 40 years. Centers of excellence in plastics machining, metals machining, and injection molding, EPTAM boasts uncompromised quality as a top precision solutions provider with facilities in New Hampshire, New Jersey, and Colorado. With EPTAM, customers find quality, confidence, responsiveness, and reliability. EPTAM's sales, engineering, manufacturing, and quality teams operate as an extension of the OEM's design and material engineering departments to establish solutions and specifications for a wide variety of precision machining applications. EPTAM's mission is to be the best single source for precision manufacturing solutions in both plastics and metals by exceeding customers' expectations at every level. EPTAM strives for an environment of continuous improvement, teamwork, agility, and overall excellence. The EPTAM journey began in Northfield, New Hampshire at EPTAM Precision Plastics. EPTAM's 60,000 square foot corporate headquarters is the center of excellence for plastics machining. Founded in 1981, EPTAM Precision Plastics has been delivering the highest quality machined plastic components to leading industry OEMs. The FDA-registered ISO 13485 Center features automated inspection and precision machining with metal-to-plastic conversions, material design support, and design for manufacturability with FMEA practice. EPTAM Precision Plastics offers complete manufacturing capabilities for CNC turning, milling, Swiss machining, and 3D printing. EPTAM has seen continuous growth since 1981, and in the last few years expanded its already stellar reputation into the areas of metals and molding, becoming the go-to precision solutions provider for some of the biggest, most trusted names in manufacturing. Through acquisitions, EPTAM Precision Metals and EPTAM Precision Molding were added to the EPTAM family in 2018 and 2019. Operating out of a 70,000 square foot FDA-registered ISO 13485 center in Colorado Springs, EPTAM Precision Metals is the center of excellence for machining metals. It has specialized in medical implants, external fixation, and instrumentation since its founding in 1982. The center features a Class 7 clean room in addition to the many other features leading medical device companies rely on at EPTAM Precision Metals, including automated inspection, validated special processes, and precision machining that includes 3, 4, and 5-axis milling, gun drilling, water jet cutting, multi-axis Swiss machining, and EDM machining. EPTAM Precision Molding in New Jersey is one of the leading molding facilities in the Northeast, specializing in precision mold making, custom injection molding, and assembly services. EPTAM Precision Molding is the center of excellence at EPTAM Precision Solutions. The facility is fitted with world-class equipment with the capacity to cover up to 200 tons, ranging from a fraction of an ounce up to 13 ounces in shot size, plus a state-of-the-art clean room. EPTAM Precision Molding offers design and engineering support, DOE, process validation, single cavity prototype molds, insert and overmolding capabilities, multi-cavity hardened steel production tooling, full finished assembled devices, complete documentation and certification, catheter finishing, and more. Across the company, quality is paramount, using stringent procedures to ensure exemplary quality control. So no matter the solution or the facility, customers can expect an efficient process with a deliverable that will exceed their expectations. With almost 40 years of solid growth, what's next for EPTAM Precision Solutions? The sky's the limit for the forward-thinking company whose goal is to maintain a financially sound organization that invests in itself and its people. EPTAM Precision Solutions. Imagination, collaboration, realization.